In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when you're not able to like videos on TikTok. So this can be an annoying problem to run into on TikTok. So if you're on your home page and you go to like a video like I just did right now and it doesn't let you, that heart doesn't go to red, then that means you're unable to like. And typically this happens because TikTok is trying to counteract spam activity. They don't want spammers on the platform. And you might not be spamming, but you might just be excited to be liking a whole bunch of TikTok videos. So if you're scrolling real fast through your TikTok and you go and like every single one of them in a short period of time, then TikTok's going to say, hey, that's a little bit too fast and you need to slow down, and they'll take away your ability to like TikTok videos for a certain period of time, typically about 24 hours. Now, if you just slow down and stop liking videos on TikTok, typically it should be rectified within 24 hours and then you'll be good to go. But if you're carrying on and on liking TikTok videos at a rapid rate, then they could suspend you from liking videos for a much longer period. So you just want to definitely take a cool down period from liking videos, and then you should be good to go in 24 hours. Then you can come back into videos and like them, because TikTok doesn't like repeat negative behavior. So if they do limit you from liking videos and then you keep on doing it, they're going to limit you for even longer. Now, if you did stop liking videos at a rapid rate and it's still not fixed within about 24 to 48 hours, and I would say 72 hours at max, what you can do is you can update your TikTok app to see if there was any sort of bug within TikTok or anything like that. So go into the Google Play Store, then you just want to go back and search for TikTok and then hit search. And then if it says update, make sure you update TikTok to the latest version, and maybe there was a bug with the liking of videos and things like that. And then you can also go and just close out of TikTok by going into a screen like this on your phone and closing out TikTok and then going back in. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like down below and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.